wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream. In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. We are on the way. Oh, hi kids! From A to Z, from east to west, I'm Olivia. Welcome back to Dream Again! Wow, today we have a very, very special story for you guys. Did you hear us singing? Yeah, because today we're going to do a story about the Lion King. Oh, ooh, yeah. Do you guys know who the Lion King is? The Lion King is the king of the jungle. Yep, that means that all the animals have to do what he says and have to go where he wants them to go. And yeah, it means he's the king. It's basically like being president of the jungle. Yep, that's what it's like. Okay, everybody ready? All right. Once upon a time, in a jungle far, far away, there lived a mighty Lion King. This Lion King was kind and just. He made sure that all of the animals in the land had enough to eat and a place to live and had all the space to run and play that they needed. This lion was very lucky. He was married to a lady lion, and the lady lion was going to have a baby. All of the animals in the land came to see the new baby after it was born. They came, and the Lion King stood at the top of a hill and he announced to the world, "This is my baby. He will be the next Lion King." The baby was growing up big and strong. He would run and play in the forest with his friends. He was a very nice lion. But this baby lion had a very tricky uncle. Yes, his uncle was always upset that he had not been the king. In a different, deep, dark, scary part of the forest, he had a home in a cave. Alone he sat in his cave and he thought, "Oh, my brother is king, but I should be king, and one day his son will be king, but that should be me. I should be the next Lion King." And so he went out and he got some evil hyena friends to help him on his evil mission to become the king. He had a plan to usurp the throne. He was going to take the throne away from the rightful king. So the uncle went to see his brother, and then he tricked his brother to come out and do a hunting trip with him. Out in the jungle they went hunting. They were looking at the animals below. Oh no! What is that though? The Lion King's son was on a rock in the middle of the gorge and, oh no! There was a stampede! The Lion King didn't know that his brother had the hyenas cause the stampede. And he had put his brother's baby in danger. Oh no! So the Lion King jumped down into the gorge and he ran and he grabbed his son and he put his son up on a ledge and he saved his son. But the Lion King fell. He couldn't save himself and his son. So he fell into the bottom of the gorge, into the stampede. Aww. Then the evil uncle went to the little boy and said, "You should run away. Your father only died because he was trying to save you." And the little boy was so young, he didn't know that that wasn't true. And so he got scared, and he ran away. And his mommy was looking for him, and she couldn't find him, and she didn't know what to do. And the uncle came in, and he said, "Because they are gone, I am now the Lion King." And everyone in the land was sad, because he wasn't a good Lion King. He didn't make sure that the animals had enough to eat. He didn't care if they had a home or a place to sleep or anywhere to run and play. No, he wanted everything for himself and his evil hyena friends. So, secretly, the mom decided she would go out and find the Lion King, her son, the real Lion King. In the jungle, her son had been growing up big and strong. He had made lots of friends. He had a little friend that was a warthog and a friend that was a meerkat, and they played and laughed and sang all day. But the Lion King was still sad. Yeah, he knew that his dad had passed away, and that made him very sad. And he remembered all the important lessons his dad had taught him about how important it was to help people and how you should work hard and try and make the world a better place. But he knew that while they were out playing and having fun, he wasn't doing any of that. He was only having fun. He hadn't helped anyone. So he was very sad. Then along came his mom with his old friend from when he was a baby. Aw, that was so nice. He was so excited that they found him, but he was sad. They asked him to come back and be the real king of the jungle, but he didn't think he could do it. He thought, "No, I'm so small, and even though he was big now, he thought, I'm little, and it's my fault that my father died. You guys don't know what happened." And he also thought, "I've been away all this time. I don't know how to be a good king." Then that night, he went to sleep, and he had a dream. And in his dream, his dad came, and his dad said, "All you have to do is try. Go back and try. Let's see if you could be a good and just king." So he decided the next morning that he was gonna go back, and he began heading out. He was sneaking away from his friends, but his friends woke up and they saw him and they said, wait, we will come with you. We will help you become the Lion King." And so they all went back, and when they got back, his evil uncle was on the throne of the Lion King. And his mom and his friend from childhood were both sad and scared of the evil uncle. But they were happy to see him. "Oh, we are so glad you came back," they said. "We know that you will make a great Lion King." So he went to the uncle and he said, I challenge you to a fight so that I can be the rightful Lion King." And they had to fight, because that's how lions solve problems. So they started fighting, and the uncle was big and mean and strong, and he fought, and they growled, roar, roar, and the little lion was fighting really hard, roar, roar, and the uncle fought dirty though, and he threw sand in his eyes, and he was mean, and it looked like the uncle was going to win. Oh no, he got him to the edge of a cliff, and he was about to throw the little lion down the cliff, and then he said to him, "I have a secret." And the lion looked up and said, "What? What's your secret?" And the big mean lion looked down and said, "You didn't kill your father. I killed your father. And he knew then that the evil uncle had sent the hyenas after his father, and he was suddenly so strong, and he climbed up the mountain, and he got up the cliff, and he went after his uncle, and he was so mad, and he was like, roar, roar, and he went after him, and then the uncle was scared, and the uncle was hiding, and the hyenas wouldn't come and help the uncle because they were scared too, and the Lion King didn't kill the uncle though. He said, roar, you are a bad uncle. You should leave. Go away. We never want to see you here again. This is not your land. And the uncle and the hyenas left. They were sad they had to leave, but the Lion King was right. They had been very, very bad. So they left, and then the Lion King became the one true king, and everyone throughout the land rejoiced. Yay! And they all sang and danced and had a big party because the Lion King was back. The good and just Lion King. The end. Yeah, that's our story. Do you guys like that story? I like that story a lot. I think it's really fun and very exciting with lots of action and twists and turns. Yeah. Wow. I'm glad that the Lion King realized that it wasn't his fault. Yeah. Sometimes in life we think things happen and we think they're our fault. And then we feel really bad about them, but usually they're not our fault. I mean, some things like maybe if you push someone or something like that, that's your fault, but then you can apologize. But when big things happen, like maybe if your dad dies or your mom dies, yeah, that's really sad, but it's not our fault. Yeah. But the Lion King learned that it wasn't his fault, and he remembered all the lessons from his dad about how to be a good, strong king, and then he became a good, strong king, and everybody loved him, and it was all happily ever after. Yeah, that's a really good story. I like it. Okay, well, thank you guys for joining me.
Thank you, Olivia.
Thank you. You're welcome, Noah. Thanks for coming back to Dream Again. Thank you. And remember, sleep tight. And remember to dream again. Bye. Good night. Sleep tight.
Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. They are the dreamers and they love to dream. Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.